Hello guys, hope you are doing amazing. Want to share Recovered, which is a robust program can help you recover lost and deleted videos from storage devices. Today we have another tutorial just for you because we're going to talk about deleted YouTube videos. In this era, anyone can upload a video on YouTube, but when accessing their deleted videos, things can get really messy for creators. YouTube, the company, they can delete your uploaded videos whenever they want. Being the reasons of you uploaded inappropriate content, you had a copyright strike, or even you uploaded 18+ content. With this video, we can help you find your deleted YouTube videos. So hang on and keep watching. But before we get into it, first, kindly hit the subscribe button, click on post notifications, throw a big thumbs up on this video, and now let's get straight to it. Method 1. Watch deleted YouTube videos with a link. The most convenient way to access a deleted YouTube video is through an Internet Archive Wayback machine, which refers to a digital archive where you can get access of all the information of the data uploaded on the internet. You can also use this to find your deleted YouTube videos, but the only prerequisite is that you need the link to your old videos. But if you have this, let's find how you can watch your old videos using this method. Let's first log in to your YouTube account and collect relevant information about all your uploaded videos. Then find the video you are looking for and tap on the video information. Now open the deleted videos URL, and after getting it, visit the Wayback Machine website and paste it in the given search box. Now click on the Browse History button to proceed further, and the upload history of the YouTube video will appear on the screen. This will help you to find the deleted YouTube video along with the upload date. Then check the video and download it to your computer. And if you wish, it can be re-uploaded to your YouTube channel. Method 2. Watch deleted YouTube videos from backups. There would have been no need for a third-party website if you had created a backup earlier. A regular backup can really save you from the situation of losing all your deleted YouTube videos. So in your computer, look for any backup of these videos, and if you don't find any, then you can use the above method. In case that fails for you too, do not worry because we have more solutions. Method 3. Watch deleted YouTube videos without Wayback Machine. A simple Google search can also aid in finding deleted YouTube videos if the Wayback Machine fails to help you. Any of your viewers could have shared your video on their social media platforms. This is how it becomes possible to watch deleted YouTube videos. Let's find the URL of your deleted YouTube video on Google and copy the unique video identifier that comes right after the V equals. Now start searching for the video identifier on Google, and this way you will get the list of related keyword results along with the deleted YouTube videos if it's available on any other platform. Method 4. Watch deleted YouTube videos by contacting YouTube support. If nothing is working in your favor, it would be the right to contact the YouTube support team by just forwarding an email and asking them to restore your uploaded video. For users with more than 10,000 views on their channel, reaching out to the support team is easier. Let's log in to your YouTube account and go to the Help section. Then click on the Visit the Help Forum button and look for the Get in Touch with the YouTube Creator Support Team to get assistance. You can also connect with the support team using the Send Feedback button and mention your concern. Method 5. Use third-party websites. All you need to do is look for third-party YouTube Video Finder websites for easy access to your deleted YouTube videos. There are plenty of such websites on the internet, such as YouTube Video Finder, Wayback Machine, or even offliberty.com. They're all great websites. Method 6. Check social media and forums. If none of the above methods worked, then social media platforms and forums like Reddit might be useful. Many times when a video is relatable or informative, a lot of viewers share it on their personal social media handles. So you need to check them out using your video title, your YouTube link. Anything that you have will be super crucial using this method. Here comes a bonus tip if you have deleted the video on your computer and want to restore it. Wondershare Recovery can help you restore all the deleted videos without any hassle. And what's even more interesting is that you do not need to be a rock science expert to perform the data recovery. This is truly as simple as 1, 2, 3. So if you want to know how to perform this method, here's how you can do it. For this method, we'll have to first download Wondershare Recovery from its official website and install it on your computer. And after setting it up, select the location from where you want to restore the deleted YouTube videos and click on the start option to begin scanning for the deleted YouTube videos on your computer. As soon as the scanning completes, you can view a list of recoverable files on your hard drive. And if the deleted YouTube video is in the list, click on the preview button to check the file and then hit the restore button at the end to retrieve the video. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to watching this tutorial, and hopefully it helped you restore your deleted YouTube videos. However, please do not forget to always have a backup so you can access all your video files later on. It's best to store them in a cloud because they can be accessed anywhere, anytime. Imagine if you have everything on a physical hard drive and if you lose it, everything just went down the drain. So a digital backup is always a safe option. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to leave a like on this video and also leave a comment below. Tell us if the problem was resolved or not, and if it wasn't, do not worry because we will respond and help you as soon as possible. And we'll see you all next time.